I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Yes guys, we are here with yet another pork video, and this time we're pot roasting this, and let's jump right into the ingredients. So here we have our green seasoning, you know, the usual, or onion and garlic powder mixture, or pork seasoning, or mother seasoning, salt and pepper, and our pork.
Alright guys, so first we're going to season from high so it's evenly spread. So we're going to add some onion and the garlic powder mixture.
Yes guys, and you know, if you don't know, now you know, pork takes on flavor really well guys, so you can season up this for overnight, 2 days, 3 days.
Yes guys, so now I'm going to add the pork seasoning, a little salt and pepper, rub it in.
Yes,
and this
guys,
is a pork chops we're using guys.
Want it all up in there. Look at that, beautiful.
I'm gonna repeat that for the other side. So as I go again, some onion, garlic powder, pork seasoning, some salt and pepper. Get this all in.
Yes guys, and we're going to allow this to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour, but you can marinate for however long you have, right?
Alright guys, so now we're gonna add the green seasoning.
But first we need to put on our gloves, and if you can't take the seasoning on your hand, do the same. Yes guys, get it all up in there, flavorful, right? Yes guys, look at that, beautiful, right?
Alright, so we're just gonna make this rest as Chef Alexander said for half an hour, and then we get on with this the searing in the pot. So we're so forward. Yes guys, so we'll make it rest for the half an hour. So now we're gonna add a little soya sauce to add color, and the pot over there so will heat up. So we're just gonna add the soya sauce now.
Yes guys, just a little bit.
We don't know soya sauce have salt, and we don't want it to be too salt.
Yes, because we already had some salt in the seasoning, right? Repeat the same. So we're just going to get over to the pot and start the searing. Let's go. Yes guys, it's that time, so we're just going to add our pork chops. Yes guys,
Along with some dry rosemary.
yes guys,
Some bay leaf.
oh yes.
Some pimento seed.
And guys, if you know us, you know we are going to cook with these herbs, and if you haven't tried cooking with these herbs already, you need to start now, because the flavor from this is so flavorful and aromatic for the kitchen. Is a perfume guys. So
cover the pot.
yeah, can remember it's a pot roast, right? And we'll come back within 5 to 15 minutes. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time, so we're just going to give this a check. And look at that coming together nicely. The kitchen is so aromatic guys, and remember, that's not the chicken, the fish, the pork being burnt. That's just the char, right? And remember, we've already added the browning, so that's that, right? Look at that guys, this is so flavorful. Wish you guys would be here.
Now give this 5 more minutes on this side, and then I'm gonna add the stock, what consists of the additional seasoning that we showed you in the video.
Yes guys.
A little more spice, like add the green seasoning, you understand? So I'm gonna just add this to this and let it simmer down, but for now we're just gonna make the next side
Sear just the same.
and get a perfect brown.
Soon come. Yes guys, it's that time, so we're just going to add this stock. Remember, we've already told you what was in it. Just a refresher. Tell them again, chef.
So the stock consists of the additional seasoning that was left.
Yes, when we season the pork, that seasoning, yes.
And the green seasoning also inclusive.
Yes guys, and look at that. And we're just going to have this on low because you want it to be nice and tender, right?
So we're gonna make this simmer down.
Aye.
So we'll move forward again 5 more minutes, and then we'll rotate him and Start base it.
So forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys, look at that.
Beautiful. So we'll give this a turn.
Now we're just going to allow this liquid to reduce. So as we said before, low and slow. We don't want anything burning. Nice and aromatic, flavorful and tender.
Well, when this liquid become the sauce, guys.
Yes.
After it reduced to the texture we want it, the right consistency, we're going to remove the pork, strain it, and then use it as a sauce. So,
yes.
Soon forward. Then
Soon
after
forward.
the stock here rich and nice.
Remember, low and slow.
Soon forward.
Yes,
guys. It's ready.
Just take a moment to look at this.
I'm going to strain the sauce and so forth and get it and then sauce it up. So, see, look there.
Yes, guys.
And
let them see the thickness of the sauce just the same, my love. This is so rich. Look at that, guys. And the sauce.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Too much sauce. I remember too much grease not good and the pork push its own fat.
Yes, guys.
So the sauce is just the right consistency. So we're going to go over the plating station now and get on with the plating. So forward.
Let's go. Yes, guys. And look at that. So from your city plate, start dropping them comments.
Right there.
Yes, guys. Drop it down in the comment section and tell us the videos that you want to see, because we're all in giving you guys the recipes and the videos that you want, right? So just leave it down in the comment section. Oh yes, and guys, look at that. Nice, succulent, tender, flavorful, done to perfection. So drop those things in the comment section if you're seeing it just as how I am seeing it, right? Beautiful, right? This is so lovely, guys. Remember, follow us on our Instagrams. Pictures will be posted over there. Look at that beauty, right? So lovely, guys.
What do you think will come next?
What do you guys think coming next? Leave it down in the comment section. No, maybe a hearing you. Come again. You know, maybe not, maybe, and there you have it. Yes, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Guys, remember, subscribe to our couples channel. That's King and Ali. We will do a full video discussing the event and all of that over there, right? So ensure that you're following us over there. Woo, such a beauty, right? Looks really nice. Lovely. Yes, look at that. Take the time to admire this plating, guys. Done to perfection. I can't hold my excitement any longer, but look at it. Yes, guys, and this
down in the comment section, spam it up. Pot roast pork chops. You know the thing go. So just go and watch it and comment, and then we will bingo.
Yes, guys, so we've come to the end of this video. So remember, leave your comments in the comment section, share if because you care, and spam up the video with some likes. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?